Hello, this is our camper and I'm going to show you around. I will start with inside. First show you the door, see how massively thick it is. It's like a handful. It's a 10 centimeter isolation, works very well in cold, but of course also keeps the heat out in the summertime. When you enter from kitchen side. The kitchen consists of like a normal sink, like you have in any camper. 3 stoves, tap. We have down here a refrigerator with a small freezer compartment. It's small, but it's nice. Works. Was enough for us during our trip. Dual diesel heaters. Keeps you very warm and quickly in winter time. Here's inside. Inside has 2 benches, table, some closet space. Two sides for clothes and other materials. The windows have mosquito and also for sunshine to make it really dark inside. Windows open in 2 settings, either completely open or half open or completely closed. The bed winches down with a winch. There's no mattress in it at the moment, but I'll try to show you with one hand how it goes down. Alright. You just winch it down. Basically it goes down until about the height of the table. And then you can quite comfortably go up and sleep. And when you go back and you want to go underneath, you just winch it back the other way. And you winch it nicely up until height, then you lock it, and that's it. Underneath, there's enough space to sit. And you can comfortably work, eat, read a book, anything. A marine toilet. Sorry, there are some extra parts for the camper, like headlamps, but this is the shower. Has a nice fan up here. And window that can open. The toilet sucks away whatever is in there with vacuum and then rinses with water. There's a tap here as well. And that's about it. Underneath here we have storage for water and the electronics, and underneath of this bench, underneath of here, and also underneath of that one. That's usually where we keep our food supplies. This is for the water, and this has another water container and electronics. Down here is also some information. Shows how many amps you get. We don't get so much because the batteries are completely filled up. We can see 13.6 volt. This shows how much water and waste is in the containers. At the moment they're both empty. These are the controls for the heating. We can turn off the refrigerator and the lights, etc. separately on and off if you want to be sure not to consume any energy at this moment. And we have some more information here. This is the panel for the converter. We have a 1500 watt continuous converter. You can even hook up a normal household vacuum cleaner and it works fine. A sucking system here. I can turn it on from here. It sucks away the cooking smells. There are LED lights. All the lights here in the camper are LED. We also made some reading lights. They don't show much now, but they are more than enough when it's evening and you want to read something. One more light to show you as well. This here, these two switches. This one turns on the lights down here. There it is. And we also have one up there. Again, it doesn't show much at this moment, but at night it really gives a lot of light. Some details from outside. Big winch. We have never used it, but all the parts are there. Tires. Front suspension. Black water and gray water reservoirs. Rear tires. Show you underneath. Looks pretty neat. Everything heavy, very duty stuff. Here's the back. Spare tire, never used, brand new. Diesel tank. And that's about it. Now let's also show you the inside from the front cabin. It's a pretty high step up. Just hold on here and try to get up. Here we are in the driving position. Normal 6-speed gearbox. Here is the half gear, high and low. Terrain gear, another 3 gears down. So let's also turn on the electricity. Starting up. Radio. These are the diff lock controls. Middle, back and front diffs. There are heaters down here. This is for the diesel heater and this is for the engine heater. Window electricity works. Also for the other side. I can show you the number of kilometers, I think, if it's possible to see, but it's about 77,500 kilometers driven now. There's a rear view camera. It also beeps when you put it in reverse. One more small detail, 2 100-watt solar panels. For us in warm days they were more than enough to power the refrigerator, our laptops and all the lights.